Soft humming and wordless melodic whispers over piano and ambient stage.
Raindrops fall, is it yours or mine?
And we sound bright, sound slowly built. Light 808 sub bass creeps into set cinematic tension.
How will I walk alone? Streets soaked in memories. Every shadow reminds me of what used to be. You said forever, the sky disagreed. Now every drop of rain washes you from me.
I hide my tears, but the rain knows all. Echoes of your voice haunt every wall.
Soul strings swell, vocal layer, even for the cinematic depth.
Tears in the rain, falling like my pain. Lost in your shadow, calling your name. Nothing remains but the storm in the sky. I'm just surviving in tears in the rain.
Tears in the rain, falling like my pain. Lost in your shadow, calling your name. Nothing remains but the storm in the sky. I'm just surviving, tears in the rain. I hear the echoes of your love in my head. Walking these streets where all our memories bled. Nights we laugh now feel cold and insane. Your silence turned my heart into tears in the rain. I thought forever was ours.
Forever left us alone in the storms again. Now we're just echoes in the rain.
I'm a young past in a mad stream. So the piano feels emotional tension peaks before a final chorus.
Tears in the rain, can't feel what's real. Memories haunt me, wounds I can't heal.
Storm carries your name, but it's not the same.
Tears in the rain, can't feel what's real. Memories haunt me, wounds I can't heal.
Storm carries your name, but it's not the same.
Your shadow lingers in the city lights. Every corner whispers lonely nights. I light the night, try to find my way, but the rain reminds me of yesterday.
Soft echo in that lift from chorus, add emotion, no depth.
Tears in the rain, I'm calling your name.
Lost in the storm, lost in the pain. Rain and distant thunder sounds linger as the track closes.